Members of a federal advisory group say they need more time to consider the risks of the Johnson & Johnson COVID-19 vaccine. Yesterday, the agency and the FDA said they would take a closer look at any potential links between the vaccine and a rare blood clotting disorder. More than 7 million doses have been administered in the U.S. Blood clots were reported in 6 women between the ages of 18 and 48, and eventually one of them died. CBS's Natalie Brand reports in Washington with the latest.
A CDC advisory committee made up of outside health experts says it needs more time to collect data on the Johnson & Johnson COVID-19 vaccine, and it has postponed its vote on recommendations. During a virtual meeting, the panel discussed the cases of 6 women who developed rare blood clots after receiving the one-dose vaccine.
While causality has not been fully established between these very rare events and our vaccine, we recognize these events could represent an important potential risk with the Janssen vaccine.
The CDC says it's working to rapidly investigate the incidents and looking into whether there may be additional cases.
All 6 individuals with these clots were women between the ages of 18 and 48.
Symptoms include severe headache, difficulty moving, shortness of breath, and pain in the legs or abdomen. Director Rochelle Walensky said healthcare providers also need to be on the lookout for the condition.
While we would typically treat blood clots with a medication called heparin, heparin and its derivatives should definitively be avoided.
The White House COVID response team says it expects a short-term impact on daily vaccination numbers as those scheduled for Johnson & Johnson appointments are transitioned to Pfizer or Moderna vaccines. But the administration says they don't expect this pause to impact overall vaccination efforts.
We have more than enough Pfizer and Moderna vaccine supply to continue or even accelerate the current pace of vaccinations.
According to the latest CDC numbers, more than 75 million Americans are fully vaccinated against COVID-19. Natalie Brand, CBS News, the White House.